This day in Japan took me somewhere really powerful, and then somewhere I know I'll never forget. I'm Courtney. I live at sea as a cruise ship dancer, chasing my dreams between stage lights and open oceans. And this is my story. As soon as the meeting was done, got right off the ship and was so excited to explore Hiroshima, Japan for the very first time. Hi friends, so we are out here in Hiroshima, Japan today. It's my first time out here in port. I have about 3 hours to spend out here, so we are visiting the Peace Memorial Park as well as the atomic bomb dome. I'm really excited to just take it all in, reflect a little bit. There is a museum here as well, but I just want to really have the proper time to see the museum, so I'm gonna save that for another day and just visit the park, learn a little bit more about the history here, and yeah, just do a little bit of reflection. So the entire park here is dedicated to remembering what happened here and to promoting peace moving forward. And honestly, it's really quiet, really reflective, and you can really feel that as you're walking through it. It's meant to stay lit until all nuclear weapons in the world are gone. Inspired by a girl named Sadako who folded paper cranes while she was sick from the radiation exposure. There's this belief that if you fold 1,000 cranes, your wish will come true. So now people from all over the world send cranes here as a symbol of peace. This is the atomic bomb dome, and it's one of the only structures that was left standing near where the bomb was dropped in 1945. These are real stories from survivors of the atomic bomb, stories that deserve to be heard and deserve to be remembered, stories that matter. I came up to the observation tower to see the city from above, and it's kind of surreal. Hiroshima today is so alive, so modern, so full of life. And from up here, you really feel that contrast between what happened here and everything that's been rebuilt since then. It's a reminder of how much people are capable of rebuilding, even after the unimaginable happens. And standing up here, it makes you realize that this city isn't just a place where something tragic happened. It's a place that chose to keep going, and to rebuild, and to grow, and to become something beautiful again. Coming up here gave me a completely different perspective and made me slow down and take in everything I had just experienced just a little bit more intentionally. And I'm just so grateful that I got to be here today. Truly so grateful. Inside the tower, you can actually fold your own paper crane and then you leave it here as part of the collection. And it's such a simple, small act, but it feels really intentional. And it just is so meaningful to feel like you're a part of something bigger than yourself. Again, I'll forever be grateful. Also very grateful for the help here because my paper crane making skills were a tad bit rusty. I think the last time I made a paper crane was in like 3rd grade. To leave, you take the slide, and it reminds you that you don't stay in the heaviness, you choose to move forward. Coming here really just wasn't about seeing a place, it was about feeling something that I know I'm going to carry with me for the rest of my life. It really just makes you think about how fragile life can be, but also how strong people are, how resilient people are, how life can completely change on you in the blink of an eye, but yet still somehow build into something so beautiful again and so meaningful and so impactful to so many people, to spread so much hope for peace and change in the world. And I think that's what I'm taking with me, not just the history, but the reminder to move forward with more intention, a lot more gratitude, and just a lot more perspective on life. Okay, guys, so we did make it to Starbucks. So we have our iced oat vanilla latte here. I've been seeing this in the Starbucks in Japan, so I finally decided to try it. Ooh, our receipt almost just flew off the table. It's a waffle. Literally just a plain waffle. Delicious. Doesn't even need syrup or anything. Honestly, tastes delicious. 10 out of 10. So while I was exploring, I came across this small local shrine tucked right into the city, and it felt a lot quieter and more personal than some of the bigger ones I've visited, and I actually ended up having one of the most meaningful experiences here. I was invited inside where they showed me the proper etiquette, taught me a few Japanese words, and even did my goshuin for me. It was one of those moments that didn't need to be filmed, but I know I'll remember it forever. It was just so personal, so genuine, and just so special. This evening, I'm not gonna vlog it, but I think we're having a little get together. Gonna hang out with some peeps from the cast, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for coming along with me, guys, and can't wait to take you out with me in the next port that I go to. Closer. Wow, it's like magic. Yeah. Guys, look how cute. Look at this cute ginger ale. Love it. Okay, friends, so we literally just filmed a whole entire thing and realized my mic wasn't turned on the whole time. So we're redoing it. Basically, we are going to change so we can go do our little jogging around the promenade deck. One of my favorite things to do on cruise ships. It will definitely become part of the daily routine once we get into that routine after install. And so I'm gonna do that. And then we have kombucha, so I can go stock up on some of my Coca-Cola for the cabin. And then I need to get lunch, which I'm really feeling a burger from the grill today. So I really think that's gonna be the winner. And then it'll be time to get ready for showtime. So all in all, a very productive day. Very, very productive. I'm very happy with today. Also, guys, look, I got this ring light. I feel like a real influencer now, right? But we're trying all the things, right, to get the lighting better in this cabin for filming for the rest of my contract. We're trying all the things. I promise we'll get there. We'll figure something out. But it looks like this one could be a winner. I mean, my face is definitely lit a little bit better. I mean, the rest of the room is not. We have to make do with what we got here, right? I'm going to go now because, again, we are 15 minutes behind schedule. So I'm gonna get ready, go running, go do the rest of the things. Super productive morning so far. Guys, I'm sitting here editing right now in between shows and it is so rocky, really rocky. All of a sudden it just got like 0 to 100. We still have one more show left to do, so we'll see how it goes. I think sometimes the shows are a bit harder when they're shows with a lot of just like walking in the ballroom shoes, because just trying to like balance while walking in the shoes and the dresses, it's like not the best combo. That, my friends, is what we just did a show to. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Not me running around this ship trying to find where the view of Mount Fuji is. This is pizza. It's delicious. It's amazing. Hello everybody! Welcome to another day out in board. We actually have a lot more time today free, so I'm so excited to be here. We are in Shimizu. It's gonna be such a great day. So we started off, got our little coffee from Starbucks, and then we took a taxi up the mountain. The views up here are absolutely incredible. And we're actually gonna take a little tram car down the mountain to a shrine. So hope you guys enjoy the journey with me. I'm so excited, so let's go. Guys, this view is actually insane. I feel like I'm on top of the world. Wow. Truly just in awe, in awe. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, so we got some ice cream. It's milk/orange. I'm super excited to try it. Ooh, it's kind of like orange creamsicle flavored, but better, like more milkier. It's delish. Wow, it's really good. Guys, this is incredible. So this is Kunozan Toshugu, one of the most important shrines here in Japan. It's dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Tokugawa shogunate, who played a major role in shaping Japan's history for over 250 years. The shrine itself was built in the early 1600s and is known for its incredibly detailed carvings, gold accents, and vibrant colors, which actually makes it pretty unique compared to a lot of the more minimal natural style shrines you see around Japan. And what makes it even more special is where it's located. Tucked into the mountains but overlooking Suruga Bay. You get this mix of ocean views and forest all around you. It's also traditionally reached by climbing over 1,000 stone steps, so taking the ropeway here feels a little bit like a shortcut. But that's okay because I took them back down to leave, and I'm so happy I did because wow, was it amazing. And being here, it's just really, really special. Actually, guys, my phone's at 13% and I do need to be able to get back to the port with the Uber. So I'm gonna head out now because that would not be good to be stranded. Okay, guys, so just to give a quick recap, I'm back on board after the most wonderful solo exploring day today. It was amazing. I just got to really enjoy the day without really stressing about time. Like, we had lots of time today, which I'm so grateful for because usually it's only like 2 or 3 hours, so usually it's pretty quick. But today was basically, I got off at like 1:30 p.m. today and back on board was 7. So tonight's agenda, I'm going to go hang out with some friends tonight, so that will be nice. This is the last day of this cruise. I can't believe we're already 2 cruises done. It's definitely different because I came from my last contract. We were doing 7-day cruising for literally 6 months straight, as where 7-day cruises go by pretty quickly. However, for this contract, we're doing mostly like 10, 11-day cruises. So just adding those few extra days honestly makes such a difference. They feel so much longer, the cruises. I much prefer the longer cruises because it gives us more time, gives our body like more rest. And then obviously it's always, fun to be able to go out in port. So yeah, it was a good cruise. It was definitely a great cruise. We got another show up, which is great. We just have one more thing left to install. Like, we're so close, guys. We're so close to the end. So we'll do the last one, get that one up and running for our next cruise and premiere that. And then at the end of next cruise, we are officially free, officially out of install. Such like the best feeling in the world, really. Going to get out and do, some more things. Cherry blossom season is right around the corner. I think rumor has it that we might be able to see them in full bloom next week or maybe the week after. So I saw a little bit today, which were beautiful. I'm so excited for that. I'm so excited to do all the photo shoots with all the cherry blossoms everywhere. It's going to be great. But also, guys, can we just admire this backdrop right now? It's absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope to see you guys in the next one after the end of next cruise. So stay tuned for more Japan content, more rehearsal content, more anything content. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Appreciate all the support always. And I hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Bye and good night from Japan.